Hi, this is Arif. In today's video, we are going to talk about the new upcoming smartphone VIVO S2, which is the successor of VIVO S1. But before getting started, be sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's start with the details of the display. The VIVO S2 will come with 6.3-inch Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with a resolution of 1080p, and the pixel density is 404 ppi. And the protection is Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which is enough for protecting the glass from scratches. Now let's talk about the details of the camera. There will be a quad camera setup in this smartphone, and the lenses are 64 megapixel, 16 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 5 megapixels, which will be able to record videos 4K at 60 fps. For selfies, there is a single 32 megapixel motorized pop-up camera, which is enough for taking high quality pictures. Now let's talk about the performance of this device. The VIVO S2 will come with MediaTek Helio P65 octa-core processor, and the GPU will be Mali G52MC2, which is a very good GPU for gaming. And for the storage, there will be two variants of this smartphone, which are 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, and another is 6GB RAM and 256GB storage. Now let's talk about the battery and connectivity. The VIVO S2 will come with a non-removable lithium polymer 4500 mAh battery, which is capable of fast charging 18 watt. And for connectivity, there will be USB Type-C 2.0. The price of VIVO S2 will be around $250, and the release date is not announced yet. That's it for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about this smartphone.